What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And unfortunately, OSHA, well, not unfortunately, fortunately, I think they're learning a lesson here. Unfortunately, an employee died at Stellantis, but fortunately, OSHA has now fined Stellantis $16,101 for a serious violation that led to an employee's grisly death. I'm going to put it here up on the screen. So welcome on back to TK's Garage. The U.S. Department of Labor's Occupational Safety and Health Administration has fined Stellantis $16,101 for a serious violation stemming from a fatal accident in August. Antonio Gaston, who came from Belvedere, by the way, 53, was killed August 21st in a workplace accident on the Gladiator line at the Stellantis Jeep Toledo Assembly Complex in North Toledo. OSHA investigators were on the scene the same day, according to OSHA spokesman Scott Allen. The inspection concluded November 26th, and as a result, OSHA Stellantis was issued this serious violation. According to the citation, one or more methods of machine guarding was not provided to protect the operator and other employees in the machine area from hazards such as those created by point of operation, pinch points basically, ingoing nip points, rotating parts, flying chips, and sparks. Stellantis failed to ensure that pinch points on the inverted IPF chassis delivery conveyor were effectively guarded as it traveled through workstations, according to the citation. Without the benefit of effective guarding, employees assigned with associated assembly tasks from conveying systems work platforms were exposed to and, in some cases, caught in pinch point hazards created by the carrier conveyor components, such as, but not limited to, steel trolley wheels, travel rail tracks, and the vehicle hub assemblies as the conveyor indexed forward, the citation continues. It is a sad situation. I hope that the family is compensated. I mean, there's no amount of money that's going to replace the death of a family member, especially in that way. But I do hope that maybe it makes their life a little easier if they're compensated appropriately. I covered the story when it happened, a few months back, and it just sucks. I'm hoping that with some of the older executives that are now coming back to the company, that they do the things that they need to do to work with workers in the UAW to make sure that the workers are safe, in a safe environment, are being paid appropriately, and get back to making awesome vehicles. My thoughts go out to the family, and I know it's a difficult time for them, and it's kind of disrespectful, in my opinion, for a government agency to fine a multi-billion-dollar company only $16,000. It's kind of like a meaningless fine for a life. But that's my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Give the video a big thumbs up if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, stay petty, my friends.